Hi, dear for anything Xiaomi 13 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and enter in the search pool the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why let's tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app and click Enable in Settings. Near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher and click twice OK. Then go back and click to switch input methods. Here switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard and tap to OK. Now the process is finished, so let's check our new keyboard and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.